Now watch carefully. We will draw a straight line on the page with a position of 180 approximately. Then we will draw another straight line down to the right of that straight line at 100 or 110 position. Now we will cover the other two parts with equal measurements on both sides. Now we will draw a ladder. Draw the ladder leaning against the upper wall. Watch very carefully, friends. Now draw the shadow of the ladder on upper wall. This time we draw the place to put the foot on the ladder. We need to be patient, and the more we practice, the better we can draw. We must remember that without proper measurement, our picture can be damaged. Draw the shadow of the part of the ladder that is sticking out. We draw it parallel to the line on the right side. Our structure should look something like this. Now put some details in it. Using this method, you can draw more 3D pictures like this. If this video helps you, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.